Hello everyone, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So in this video, I would like to claim my GOAT airdrop. So I will be taking you through what you should do to claim your GOAT airdrop. So this is what I got. It's 23.99 GOATs. So let's see it to the end. So I'm going to click on claim airdrop. Claim airdrop. All right. So December 5, that's token generation event and GOAT version 3. So let's see what we have. So let's check what we have there. So gamification gaming platform. So version 3, play and hand with code. So you can decide, you can come back at December 5 to actually explore that. So you have two options here. The first one is for you to stake and to earn a massive 1200% APY just by staking your goods. And also the second option is for you to withdraw your goods to any of the 7 supported exchanges. So let's explore the first one. Let's see what's there. So you can decide to stake any amount, 50%, 75%, 100%, and for 30 days you get 100%, for 90 days 700%, and for 6 months, that is 180 days, you are going to get 1200%. So if you can do that, that will be good. But if you cannot, no problem. And also you can see down here you have the redeem date. So if you select 90 days, you're going to be able to get it back on March 1st 2025. If you select 30 days, you'll be able to get it back December 31st 2024. That will be 400%. Do you get that? So and I think that would make sense, whichever one you would like to do. Do you get that? So let's go to explore the second option. Second option is for you to withdraw to any of these exchanges. So it's either you use Biget or KuCoin or Get.io or Mexi or Bitmart or Honus or CoinW. So whichever one that you would prefer to use, you can just go with that. So if you're using Bitget, so just click on Bitget. So all of these, mind you, they are centralized exchange. That means you have to install the app, register the app, just like you do register for Binance, Bybit, and also verify your accounts. So it is not wallets. Do you get that? So if you explore Bitget wallet, you say, do you have a Bitget account? Do you get that? So you need to add your deposit address to receive goods. Do you get that? So I think what I'm going to be doing in this video, I will stake half of the airdrop I am getting, and also I'm going to withdraw half of it. So one of the listed exchanges. So I have Bitget, I have KuCoin, I have Mexi. So I can decide to use any of the three. Do you get that? I'm going to stake off 50%. So let's click on stake. So I'm staking 50% for 180 days. That is 6 months. So I'm going to click on stake now. Alright, so I have staked 411 goats for 6 months. So I'm also going to withdraw the remaining. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So I want to use Bitget exchange for this. I want to use Bitget exchange for it. You can also use KuCoin. You can use any of the 7 that's listed here. So but I want to use Bitget, so I'm going to click on Bitget. That's the first option here. So do you have a Bitget account? Yes, I have. Click on yes, I have. All right, so how many percentage are you withdrawing? So I'm withdrawing 100%. You know, I've already staked half of it already. So now for Bitget, you have to get your user ID on Bitget, and also you enter the deposit address. So how do you do that? So mind you, you follow the same procedure for any of the exchanges you want to use. They all follow the same procedure. Do you get that? So once you're able to get for Bitget, you can also replicate that for the other exchanges too. So now I'm on Bitget exchange. So I want to copy the my user ID. So click at that corner, and once you click there, you're going to have your user ID. So just tap on where you have your user ID and it will automatically copy the user ID for you. Do you get that? So once you copy that, so we can go back to the GOAT mini app and paste it where you have the user ID, just as you have it there. So you paste it there. So now we need the address for the GOAT. So we go back to Bitget, click on your asset, and on your asset click on add funds. Click on add funds. So once you click on add funds, click on deposit crypto. So now click on the search bar and type in GOATS, GOATS.
So we are actually copying the first one. So click that. So click on the first one, it's going to load for you. You have the tone network originally, so just click on the copy icon beside the deposit address and just leave the transfer, just leave it as it is, spot. And also the minimum deposit is 10 goats. 10 goats, so you shouldn't bother that much if you have more than 10 goats. So now let's go back and paste it where you have the address bar, and also we have both of them done. So now let's click on withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. So as I click on withdraw, then I'm left with 0 goats. So I have staked and I've also withdrawn. So now how do we now know what I've done? So click on activity. Click on activity. You are going to see this is what I've staked, 411 goats, and I'll be getting 1456 goats by May 30, 2025. That is when it's redeemable. So, and also if you click on withdraw, so I will be getting 412.99 goats December 1st. So Nigerian time, today is December 1st. So let's hope we get it on or before tomorrow. So let's see. Then so I think we're actually done here. So there's nothing much that we have to do. Alright guys, so I think this video we have to end here. Thank you so much for your time. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to share with your friends and colleagues, and also ensure that you drop your comments in the comment section below. Do have a nice day. Bye for now.